My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam that is coming from the website Advertisementgallery12.monster. This is a new deceptive pop-up currently attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. The pop-up claims that it is somehow related to the well-known security program. However, there is no connection between this pop-up and that well-known security program. Instead, such pop-ups are misleading and they try to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. Therefore, if you see these pop-ups by Advertisementgallery12.monster, don't ever interact with them. They are absolutely faulty and deceptive. Such pop-ups, by the way, may be the trace of some adware on your computer. I recommend that you thoroughly research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best solution to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start thoroughly researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.